A little bit. Try out my new ratchet. This was one that another guy named Andrew has on another YouTube channel. Ever since I saw this thing, I wanted one. It has two sized. ready to go right here. Bring some fuel out here. Pop the chain off. That's it. I think you got to do it in this position. That way this chain lays flat on the top. And it needs a little bit more. That's pretty tight. Let's call that good. I don't know how much it's supposed to pull, but I wonder if that's too tight. Alright, well, we're finishing up for the day, but I figured I'd give you some more details about where we're putting the house, we think. So let's take a walk over there now that I cut some more back. By the way, we've been using a gas-powered chainsaw, and it cuts like 3 times faster than that battery one. So that's probably gonna be, now that we got it working, that'll probably be my primary. You can see I did all that in like half the time that it would have took the battery chainsaw. Anyway, so we're gonna probably do the house long ways and start with the barn part, maybe like right, I don't know how wide it is. Maybe start it right, let's see. Maybe like right here to right before that oak tree, and then run about 100 foot down, long ways. So, you know, you have to get a visual in your mind. It'll run about 100 foot back here, and then it'll be facing, the front will be facing this side, and the back will be facing the electrical pole and this back part. And then the driveway will come right here and into the back to where the barn is. So it'll just be a drive from the gate in and then drive right in here into the driveway or into the barn. And then probably maybe hopefully have concrete I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, it's gonna go run long ways this way, and I don't remember how wide. We had a couple of plans in mind. I think it was like 30 or 40 feet wide. So, you know, if we start like right here, it'll go right up to about that oak tree. That way we can keep the oak tree. There's 3 or 4 oak trees in there, maybe 5, that we can have in our front yard. And then all this can be in the backyard with the, you know, electrical pole we'll have to go around with the fence or whatever. Sorry, yeah, front yard, backyard, and then we'll gate this part, or sorry, fence this part in so our dog Missy can have a spot. And then, you know, clear all this out. I don't know, we'll just have to see. I really want to keep these oaks. There's another big oak back here too. So maybe we go even further back past the electrical pole to have more backyard for Missy. We'll just have to see. I mean, if we have to cut the oaks down, we will. We thought they were dead, but they're definitely coming back to life again. I think they were just losing their leaves for winter, but as you can see, these were all leafless, and now there's leaves coming back. And as I'm clearing cedar, you know, it's helping with that. So anyways, so on the other side of the street, we're gonna keep most of this intact. It's hard to get an idea. Maybe we'll get some drone shots, but here's the main road that'll go right in front of our house. And then on the other side of the road, closer to the main road, the main city road, we're gonna leave, I don't know what we're gonna do with this yet exactly. We'll probably leave most of this heavy. We might clear out around there's several big oak trees in there. We might clear the cedar around those. But we're gonna leave it mostly grown up because this kind of hides the house from the road, so nobody can see us back here. So, and it's really, you know, really dense, as you can tell. You can't see it from the road, anything past here. So this is perfect. That house is in a perfect spot to kind of, you know, seclude us back here. So I don't know, we'll see as we go. You know, step 1 is we got the pole out here. Step 2, you know, we need to start looking for a contractor and have him give them designs. Maybe we'll post some pictures of our plans for some houses on this video. We'll see. You know, and then see what fits in the area that we have, and then have a contractor start, you know, or getting some bids from contractors, and then start the next step. So, you know, it's March now, the middle of March, and we had hoped to start having some bids and start looking at loans and start building here in the next, or at least maybe try to start building in the next 3 or 4 months. Let's see, maybe 5 or 6 months. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm always a little optimistic, but we'll see where we're at in the next 5 or 6 months. Hopefully we at least have a contractor in the next 5 or 6 months. So, and then we'll see where they're at on building. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Again, thanks guys, all 20 of you that are watching. We appreciate it. So see you next time.